Hello friends, this is a 22-inch LG LED TV. Here the complaint is panel mirroring issue. See, here the picture is upside down. To solve this issue, we need to enter into the service mode. For entering to a service mode in LG TV, we need LG TV service remote. Here I don't have any LG service remote. Here I am using another trick. For that we need a smartphone with IR blaster support. If you have a mobile phone with IR blaster support, then go to Play Store and download Anymote application. After installing Anymote application from the Play Store, open app and search for LG remote. From that list you will find LG service remote. From that list you need to download the LG service remote. Here I already downloaded the application and taken the LG service remote. This is the Anymote application. In this app, click on EZ adjust. See, after selecting the EZ adjust, now the TV enters into the service mode. Now in LG remote, here now we need to find mirror option setting. Here I first selected the tool option 2. First I choose the tool option 2, but it doesn't have mirror mode settings. So let's go back and again enter into a service mode. Here I now selected the first option named as tool option 1. After selecting the tool option 1 option in the service mode, see, in tool option 1 you can see the mirror mode option. Here in default the mirror mode option is turned off, so let's turn it on. After turning the mirror mode on, then exit from the service mode. Then turn off and turn on the TV for getting the changes taking effect. For getting the changes may take effect only after restarting the TV. The changes will take effect. So now the TV is restarted. See, now the picture is okay. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.